Next on our list is the chair. Select the chair, make it visible, put your item cam on the chair, and go to the shader tree. Now you'll see there are already two materials that have been done, that being the chrome and the black plastic mat. The ones that are left is the black knobs and the black leather. Let's just start off with the black knobs. And this is going to be a medium gloss black plastic. So let's just load preset, navigate to the plastics preset, and we are going to use plastic glossy. Grab the two layers, organize the material, delete the old. We're going to change the color to a dark gray and the diffuse down to 10%. Okay. Moving on to the leather. Instead of just using a leather preset, we're just going to do it this time ourselves. So the first thing I want to do is add an image map. We're going to load leather underscore b.jpg. Turn off anti-aliasing. Make sure you select the correct UV map. Workplace chair, I think. Here we go. Now you'll see it's really out of whack in terms of scale. We're going to increase the horizontal wrap to a bigger number, 50 and 50. And you can zoom in to see just how big that image should be. So the approximate image size is about that big. And so once this is there, switch back to the texture layer. Now what we need to do is grab the low value, which is the darker gray in this image, and take it down to -100. Okay, and now raise the high value to 200, just to give more contrast to the image. This will get your dark darker and your light lighter. And you want to switch this to bump map. Okay, and let's go to the material. Let's switch the reflection to 10 and Fresnel to 50. All right. We're going to change the color to a dark gray and the roughness to 50, and let's turn on blurry reflections, and let's lower our diffuse amount to 5% as well as our specular. And so what we have here is a dark low diffuse material. It's got some reflective properties and it's got blurred reflections, and it's using the leather bump to break the surface reflections. And you might need to do a bit more reflection rays, so let's drag this up to 100, just so it's smooth. Zoom out. You can change the angle of viewing just to see. You can see the nice reflections from the screen on the surface of the chair. Again, just grab any textures, put them in the texture folder, and let's just save this as chair and move on.